with Prince Lot for 43 years now. We were one of the first halau invited to participate. It's always been fun for me. This is one of the events that I don't want to miss. I want to be a participant. I want my students to participate. We bring all of our haumana from keiki to kupuna to participate at the Prince Lot Hula Festival. It's not a competition, it's about sharing, and it's about celebrating hula and the stories of Moanalua and the stories of the kumu hula that have gone before us, the stories of the composers, the hakumele, the important events that have happened in the history of Hawaii. And then we get to share it with the general public, parents, family members, and other kumu hula and their students. And it's I love, gathering with them, talking stories. And I think that was for me one of the biggest parts of celebrating Prince Lot. Right now, it's going to be a little different for us to not have that kind of experience, but we want to bring the best parts of Prince Lot to our general public and remind them that this time will pass and we will have sometime in the future, we will be able to do all of these things again. That to me is what Prince Lot can bring to our people. A promise that we will continue to celebrate hula, to celebrate the stories and the important people and histories of our Native Hawaiian community.